Hey guys, welcome to MyAirbags. I'm Eli. Today we're inside a Chevy Trax and we have a customer who needed his module reset after an accident. The dealership wanted about $600 for it. We're able to reset this one for about $50 and we're going to go ahead and reinstall it back into his vehicle. Even though today we're inside a Chevy, these steps can be applied to any car. Now the first step is under the hood. We're going to go ahead and disconnect the battery power. After the battery power has been disconnected, it's really important that we bolt down the module first. We don't want to risk having any power going into the module while it's powered up. If the module is powered up and it's moving and it's not bolted down, the module will think the car is in an accident and it could deploy roof airbags and seat belts, so we don't want that. So go ahead and do the battery and then bolt down the module first. And by the way, we're using a 10mm socket. Most cars use 10, 11, or even 9 for the airbag modules. And then the final step is the plugs wire harness. Now that we have the module bolted down and plugged in, it is okay to go ahead and connect the battery power back into the car. Here at MyAirbags.com, instead of buying a brand new module from the dealership, we can actually reset your original module back to its original condition pre-accident. We also do the same service with seatbelts. We can rebuild them back to its original pre-accident design and function. If you want to see more videos just like this on removing modules, installing modules, and seatbelt removal, please visit our channel on YouTube or you can go to MyAirbags.com.